graphics. PC Game Pass. Avail na kayo, guys. Doon ko na-access yung mga games. 59 pesos lang yun, no? Ganda. Inumpisahan ko talaga yung game now, guys. Uy, bago ulit yung car. Sheesh! Ganda. Parang Fast and the Furious. Guys, reshare tayo ha. Reshare tayo ng stream. Pati sa Blue, mag-reacts tayo, guys. Let's go. Let's keep on reacting.
I'll swing back round and guide you through the bridge.
Guys, paano nga ba ulit yung brake? Hindi tab, diba? Tab is yung sa camera eh. R to rewind. Oh, may ganun! Para pag nagkamali ka. S. Okay, copy. Thank you.
¡Qué maravilla! You're not gonna believe your eyes when you see this. Keep going.
Sheesh! Hello, Racing. Racing kami.
Horizon, this is Mexico.
Wow.
We've already had cars falling out of the sky, but all eyes
Ah,
are
bakit?
on the superstar making their way to the festival right now.
Guys, tututarts tayo, guys! Bakit kaya? Bawal driving? Dito? Guys?
If you just arrived at Horizon Mexico, then you are in for a treat, my friends. Get ready for the biggest Horizon adventure of your life.
Pwede naman? Eh, bakit tayo? Ba't nag-ano si Toxic?
You hear that? Well, that is the last inbound cargo flight racing neck and neck with an AMG-1.
Ah, so bawal ako mag-undo.
So strap yourselves in, Horizon
let's go!
Well, that was day one of our Mexican Fiesta Party, people, and we are just getting started. Please welcome our #1 superstar to Horizon Mexico.
Uy! Pwede customize!
It is a real fiestaval, mis amigos. Got one of the best in the history of the festival. You just see.
I think I want to be, pink-haired girl ako. Ito ako si Ate Sis. This is giving Charlene, pero pink yung hair. Ayusin ko na lang yung, I like this hair, but can I change the color? Kaya, hindi. Ayan, pwede. Ah, ba't na iba? This is me. Ha!
Coming in hot.
Ito si Charlene to, ayan. And...
These superstars know how to make an entrance. Am I right? Huh?
Yan yung buko dati. Guys, dut-dut hearts tayo. Please help me, guys. With, mag-dut-dut hearts. Thank you. Yes, like and share tayo ng stream. Thank you so much. Also, kung gusto nyo mag-avail, link in my bio lang, guys. Link in my bio. Link in bio and also nasa comment section sa blue.
Hey, my friend, when you dropped from that plane, what were you thinking?
I was doing my best not to think about it.
Jamin told me to expect big things from you, but nothing so...
Espectacular?
Yes, Haley! I have so much to show you. Cerros, desiertos, la jungla, pirámides, la belleza de México. Your pronunciation was muy bien, by the way.
Getting
Muy
better.
bien.
Listen, if you plan on stopping by the festival at any point, you will need one of these.
No promises, jefa.
I believe this is yours. How was your flight? Not bad. Exit procedure was a bit rough. Yeah, I bet. Come on. Rami will handle expeditions. I will coordinate festival logistics, which just leaves...
Primita, ven!
What do you call primita, primito? I saw what you did in the UK. Vamos a hacer de banda.
Alejandro, right? If the rumors about what you can do with an engine are true, I'm sure we will. Oh, speaking of, did we get that delivery?
Arrived this morning.
Yes.
Ano kayang kotse ko dito?
Qué chulada. This is quite a collection. You've got taste.
Dean,
I'll
thank you
get
for
them
the
over to
super
the garage.
GG, Lodi.
But
Salamat.
what are you taking out first?
Anong gusto nyo? Corvette? Bronco? Or Toyota GR Supra? Guys, pili. Parang gusto ko tong Supra. Oo, parang ito, no? Nice! Nice choice, guys. Good job.
A90 Supra, the latest successor to one of the most iconic cars out there. Good choice, especially if you like drifting.
Supra din choice ko, guys. Dut-dutarts tayo, guys!
Let's take the Supra out for a spin. Great. How about a personalized number plate?
Yes. Ay, hindi pwede. Hindi abot. Anong ano ko? Goody? G-O-O-D-I. Hindi abot. Damihan ko na lang yung O. Ah, pwede number! Ito na lang. San Pedro. Ay, ang angas!
I'll get the rest of your cars to the garage. Gives me a little more time with them.
Guys, sub kayo, avail na kayo ng PC Game Pass, guys.
Hey Ace, talk about making an entrance. I know you've just
Link in my
arrived,
bio,
but our first
guys.
showcase is ready to roll. We just need our superstar.
Sure, sureness.
Hope
Link
you're
in
ready
my
for
bio,
this.
guys.
Oh, I am
Hanggang
ready.
Feb
I'll be there
6.
soon.
Hanggang Feb 6 na lang yan. Feb 6, 11 p.m. yung 59 pesos, guys. Na PC Game Pass subscription. Avail na kayo.
And oh my, do we have some big, big plans. But first, our superstar is here, and she is making her way to our new showcase event. Ready for On a Wing and a Prayer, amiga? You bet. What's that? Yes. Oh, okay. Horizon, I gotta go. Big news. Okay. Later.
Dapat ko ba sila unahan? Kala ko convoy. Oh, sanggala, sorry. Okay. Hi, Fluky! Mali niya yun. Mali niya yun, guys. Ayan ako.
I'm not completely sure what your next showcase.
Akala ko ba yung Supra yung ano ko?
This is Scotty Tyler broadcasting to you live from a plane. This time we are throwing.
Fluky, thank you for the fireworks! Fluky! Grabe ka naman.
Pilot.
Thanks, Fluke!
Temple on the runway. Temple on the runway.
Thank you, Fluky, sa 3 fireworks! Sheesh! Kailangan ko maunahan yung plane? Uy, grabe naman si Fluke! Thank you, Fluke! Thank you for the 5 fireworks, Doxy! Salamat! Grabe naman si Flo. Kahit nasa Japan, nagsisend pa rin. Yung mga linyahan ni Flo kung nasa Japan ako. Okay na yan, Flo. Tama na.
Fans at the stadium going wild. Yes. What's it gonna take to beat this superstar?
Thank you, Floki.
Let's see. What else you got?
Grabe naman si Doxy. Si Ninang Z. May dumaan na mayaman na taga-ibang bansa. Taga-ibang bansa. Guys, sabihin na kayo ng Game Pass. PC Game Pass. This is an Xbox subscription, guys. Meron silang promo ngayon, Lunar New Year. 59 pesos para sa mga bagong members. For the first 2 months yan, guys.
Now it's a race horizon. Superstar driver versus Daredevil biker. Who you got?
Hirap, puro grip. Ganda siguro nito kung meron yung parang kotse, yung parang ano talaga, no, steering wheel. Grabe naman yung isa.
Hey, did we lose a biker?
Gusto ko maunahan eh. Paano ba mag-speed up?
Pilot? What is that? Wait, is that a wingsuit?
Ay! Nakakalula!
Final straight and this kid is not stopping.
Wala, second place lang ako. Guys, avail na kayo ha. Not bad raw sabi.
Hooray! Oh, that was
Not bad, not
incredible.
bad, not bad.
As a thank you from Horizon, you can keep the car.
Woo! 1994 Ford, ano siya? Pwede tayong mag-collect. Gusto ko pa sana ituloy yung live ko eh. Okay lang, guys. Pero again, guys, gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa inyo sa pag-join sa atin dito sa Zodiac Gaming Adventure natin. Kahit ano pang sign nyo, peace! Guys, naka-mute pala ako. Uulitin ko lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumama sa atin. Thank you for joining me dito sa ating Zodiac Gaming Adventure. So yes, no matter what your sign, PC Game Pass has something for everyone. Kaya naman wag niyo pong kalimutan, lahat po ng games na feature ko kanina at yung mga iba pa na upcoming from AAA games ay available po yan sa PC Game Pass from Xbox for only 59 pesos for the first 2 months para sa mga bagong members po yan. New members can avail the Lunar New Year promo until Feb 6 na lang, 11 PM, kaya click the link in my bio, and para sa mga nasa Blue app, check the link sa comment section ko down below. But yes, wishing everyone a happy Lunar New Year. I will end na sa Blue app. And dito na lang tayo. Kung gusto nyo pang manood, nandito tayo sa TikTok, guys. Maraming salamat for watching! Thank you! Bye-bye! Bye-bye sa mga nasa Blue app. Thanks for watching, guys. Sa mga nandito sa TikTok, stay put, guys. Stay put. Okay. Kalma, dyan lang kayo. Dyan lang kayo. Maglalaro pa tayo. We will play. Lalaruin pa natin to. Parang ano siya eh. What you call this? Nakaka-excite siya laruin, yung Forza. Kung gusto nyo mag-avail, guys, yung link nasa bio ko lang.
Old Festival is talking about you. If you can pick me down at the festival, we'll talk about what you want to do next.
Okay, copy.
Cheers, Hayley. See you soon.
Okay, so it was a person in a wingsuit on a motorcycle inside of a cargo plane. Right, Horizon? Just making sure I got it right for this text I'm sending to some friends back home. And send. Now.
Yon? Nakita niyo yung ginawa niya na yon? Mali ko yon!
Oh, how about some Foo Fighters?
Anong sinabi ng Rewind the Movie dito? Ako nakakapag-rewind ako kahit kailan ko gusto. Hoy! Ang bilis naman!
Just earned a skill point. You can use your skill point here to unlock perks.
Ooh.
Every car has its own set, offering unique bonuses.
T
Skill
for
points can be
turbo.
spent on any car you own.
Ooh, okay. Thank you.
To unlock this perk, you first need to have unlocked an adjacent perk.
Thanks for the info.
In 400 yards, turn right.
May ways tayo, guys. We're
I've had a
here.
few requests come in, both in need of a talented driver. Care to take a look?
Talented?
Carmen is looking to photograph some storms in the
Ako
area,
na
and
yan.
she's asked for a driver with strong off-road skills. And Alejandra's requested a driver to help her search for a long-lost Vocho. With a bit of time before the next big event, who should we contact first?
Wait lang, guys, ha.
You sure we can make the schedule work? I can come back for the other one later.
Yeah.
Dito
I
ba?
wouldn't be much good at my job otherwise.
I'll go with Alejandra.
Got it. I'll let Carmen know you can help her later.
Let's go, guys. Ang ganda ng kotse ko, ang angas.
Finally, Haley got me a driver. Hey, you're into the oldies, right? I want your help providing a part of Mexican car history.
Guys, ang ganda nung may ganun. Alam niyo ba dati, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako mag-stream, iniisip ko bumili ng ganun. Kaso sobrang mahal. Gusto ko kasi mag-ano eh. Yung parang mga nagdadra. Ito, yung mga ganitong games.
Turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
Ha! I'm so sorry, guys. Forza Horizon 5 ang game name. Uy! Thank you for the thumbs hug! Salamat!
Horizon XS. Bringing the best rock music all year round.
What's this?
You're tuned to Horizon XS.
Hey, Ale. How can I help? Jump in the buggy. I'll tell you the story on the way.
Wow! Galing,
Ramiro was
parang
looking
story
through old
mode
things at
rin.
his father's home last week, and he found this photo. He gave it to me, said I might enjoy it, but I don't think he realized what it was. My friend, what would you say are the two most important things in Mexican culture?
Family and food? Family and art. Family and
Close. Familia and the Volkswagen Beetle. Bocho is the Mexican nickname. My bisabuelo Fernando was the first tourist to own one. And thanks to that photo, I think I know where it is.
seriously? Let's go find it.
Guys, avail na kayo! Sayang yun oh, naka-Lunar New Year promo si PC Game Pass. Hanggang Feb 6 na lang yun, guys. Click the link in my bio na. Sige na.
Bisabuelo means great-grandfather. But in the family, he's just Papa Fernando. We never met, but everyone says I'm exactly like him. Loca por autos. You have to understand, in Mexico, a bocho is like the family member that lives in your garage. Papa Fernando loved that car to death.
Ang galing,
And
may
19
story.
finally came for it on a muddy road near here. He took one last photo and left it there. So, that's where we're going. If you can find it, I can get it running again.
Guys, dito tarts tayo. Pa 500k hearts natin yan.
Let's get up into the hills.
Let's
We
go,
just put a
let's go.
turnoff. There should be a road or a track.
Uy, uphill.
Aquí! Just like in la photo. Look around. This is
Hey!
definitely the place. But, no sé, why would Papa Fernando bring the bocho up here? The storms can get tremendas.
Naririnig niyo naman yung game?
Let me just get the door.
Está aquí? It's really here. We found it for
Feeling
you,
ko
Papa
ayusin
Fernando.
namin to.
But look at it. I've never seen a beetle like that.
Oh, the weather's closing in. I don't like the look of the roads around here. You drive the truck. I'll have to put in a new bateria, plenty of oil, llantas,
Truck
electrico. Oh, this is gonna
Ang
be
galing!
hard for me.
May storya.
It's a Beetle. I bet it starts first go.
You know, I wouldn't be surprised.
Ala, ang saya siguro talaga nito kung may steering wheel. Truck driver ka na kaya ka, Mikey. Ang saya.
Keep an eye open for roadworks.
The roads look open just now.
Ay!
Maybe we'll be lucky. Okay. What's this then?
Looks like roadworks. Can you find a way past it?
I think I can manage that.
That's one way through.
Ano pala tong mga to eh, matindi.
What are you gonna do with it? I have muchas ideas. That's the thing about a Gocho. It's not just a car. It's a lifestyle.
Guys, dinadahan-dahan ko kasi nakatrack tayo ngayon. I think ganito dapat ang mga truck driver, hindi nagmamadali sa daan, ano? Yung mga nanonood na truck driver dyan, huwag kayo nang gigit-git. Huwag kayo nagbubusina ng malakas.
Park the truck here. I'll take care of the rest.
What did I tell you? Finding cars isn't magic. It takes good luck and hard work and sometimes a drink.
Ooh, my friend. The hard work is just getting started. Call you soon.
Hey! Low volume lang ang busina. Oo, may lisensya ako sa totoong buhay. Ano ba kayo?
Hey
Wala,
Ace,
binubudol ako.
we've kicked off a whole bunch of new events, so it's time for you to get out there and show us what a superstar can do. Everything you do earns you accolades. Think of them as mini challenges that cover races, stunts, exploration, everything.
Guys, pwede ako
If you
mag-ano
earn
lang
enough
saglit?
accolades, we'll be able to expand and kick off the next chapter of the Horizon adventure. Or if you're feeling
Ang alam
slightly
ko,
more
Lods,
impulsive, we could catch a
alis
slingshot
lahat
straight to Hot
pwedeng,
Wheels Park. What'd you say?
Payment
Or
options.
if you're
Guys,
looking
wait
for
lang ah.
something
Pwede ako
a bit
mag-CR
more
break.
down to
I will
earth.
be back.
Something with grit, glory, and
Magdundo
rally
cards
driving.
kayo guys. That
That ain't
500k
just what
na
you
yung
want.
pagbalik ko
So,
ha.
what do you want to do first?
Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Say hi! Mag-hi ka sa kanila. Mag-hi ka! Hi! Hi! O, dito ka na lang. Guys, kasi kanina pag pasok ko sa room, ano siya eh. Oh, huwag ka na lumabas. Diyan ka na lang. Habang naglalaro ako. Makikita niyo lang siya naglalakad-lakad. Kasi nung nagwiwi ako, sinamahan ako sa CR. Game. Guys, sabihin lang kayo ng PC Game Pass, ha? Nasa bio ko. Link in my bio, guys. I'm getting good at this, guys. Great drift kahit na ano ko.
Superstar is helping to promote and build the festival, and I want to do my part too, so what do I do? Win races, take on daring PR stunts, go exploring. Horizon, I'm gonna leave this one to the experts. But hey, there's one way I can help, playing records like this.
Guys, thank you for the 500k hearts, guys! Thank you! Salamat, salamat!
It's 400 yards.
Boom!
Arrive at your destination. You've arrived at your destination.
Huwag mo itulak yan. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Ito kaya?
Gotta be PR stunts.
Okay.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Layo-layo guys, ang biyahe natin. Ang gulo ng daan! Tatapusin ko lang tong isa na to, tapos magpa-power wash naman ako. Hindi ko na natapos linisin yung bahay dun eh. Focus ah. Omsim! Talaga!
Turn right. Turn right.
Yes, Dudutarts po tayo, guys! Dudutarts!
Looking to upgrade your ride? You've come to the right place. Let me show you around. You can always give me your car. Set a performance target, I'll choose the parts and do all the work myself. Garantizado. Because you trust me, no?
Wala pa pala akong pera. Shout out everyone! Punta na tayo sa... Wala. Nakita na kang may kun. Road racing. Solo. So, ang kalaban ko ay sarili ko. 783, 786. Eto. Bilis na to ah. Joey? Ay! 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 Snow! No playing muna with other cats. Mama is playing. Ako ang mama niyan ngayon. Shucks, puro Corvette. Puro kami Corvette. Ay, hindi pala. Hey, 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 hey! Oh my gosh, is this the real racing na? Bakit ka nag... Hoy, huwag mo ako git-git. Ginigit-git ako, ha! Guys, oh! Ginigit-git ako! Bakit ka nagre-rewind? Wala, ang daya. Wala na, talo na ako. Hindi ko lang naano yung checkpoint eh. Sundan mo lang po yung line. Guys, pang 12 na ako. Aabot pa kaya ako? Snow? Oh my gosh. Snow, ba't ka nandyan? Snowy! Snow! ito maabutan. Ayun na naman sila. Paano ba mag-drift? Wala na, pang 9 ako. Last lap na yun. Nauna yung puti. Ninth place ako. Lambo yung nauno. Restart nga. Ay, ako pa eh. Guys, paano mag-drift? Space. Okay, okay. Hindi naman eh. Iba na. Saan tayo? Ito pang rookie lang.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Grabe, sobrang gaang nito.
Yards. Turn left. Turn left. In 100 yards, turn right.
Isang race na lang, guys.
In 400 yards, turn right. Turn right.
Ayun! Pero ang lala nung drift. Paano yung tama?
200 yards, turn right.
Pitik lang.
Turn right.
Ito na naman tayo. Hi, Pat! Nandito pa rin si Pat, si Libby. Oh, hi, Pat! Hello, guys. Last to, last. Last. Okay na yan. Parang wala namang mangyayari. Ganda ng laro eh. Ang ganda ng graphics, no? Avail na kayo guys ng PC Game Pass. May promo lang sila talaga ngayong Lunar New Year. Kulang sa speed. Ulitin natin. Tire mo sa harap, dapat mas matigas. Okay. Balik! Oh, si Balik! Balik! Sanggala, ang hirap naman itong ano na to, lugar na to. Puro liko ba? Ayoko na! Oo, keyboard lang gamit ko. No? Keyboard lang. Ang hirap nga eh. Mag-controller ka, i-try mo. Hindi na, okay na. 3 hours na ako eh. Guys, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood dito sa live stream na to. Thank you so much talaga. Kahit hindi ko to time nanood kayo, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng mga tumambay sa Blue Up, mga tumambay dito sa Toktik, thank you. Naka 3 hours na din pala tayo nun, no guys? Grabe, thank you so much, especially sa mga mods ko. Thank you kina Paolo, kina Shemay. Thank you din kina Marie, kina Abby, kay Gay sa pagdaan, kay Pluki sa pag-gifts, kay Yuli, kay KM, kay Ropi, Auntie Narisa, Auntie Janina, Tita Shin, Doraemon, thank you, Pau. Salamat ng marami, and especially thank you so much to PC Game Pass from Xbox. Thank you so much. And thank you din sa mga nanood dito. At syempre, guys, again, mag-avail na kayo ng PC Game Pass. It's an Xbox subscription. Lahat ng games na na-access ko kanina ay dahil sa kanila. Actually, na-open ko yung lahat ng agent ng Valorant. Kaya, feeling ko yun yung pinaka-pinupush ko. Dahil na-open ko na sila lahat. Pati yung bago ngayon na agent. So, guys, mag-avail na kayo para sa mga new members. For the first 2 months, 59 pesos lang po yan. Link in my bio, guys, dito sa TikTok. And also, Pagka after ng 2 months, 175 pesos na siya. Pero, sulit. Kasi ang dami. Ang daming games na pwede nyo ma-access at ma-download. Sa PC Game Pass lang yan, guys. Tapos na po, Omsim. Hi, Ate Abby! See you soon! Ay, i-message mga pala kita mamaya, Ate Abby. Magpapa-block off ako. Thank you, Ate Abby! Thank you din sa inyong lahat na dumaan, sa lahat ng nag-drop ng gifts. Thank you, Pat. Thank you kina KM, kina Libby, kina Paulo, kina Pluk. Thank you, Pluk. Thank you kina... Ang dami nag-gift kanina eh. Ito si Pluk to eh. Ang bilis natapos nito eh, nitong hand hearts. Ayan oh. Kina Nina, kina Libby, kina Paulo, thank you. Kina Mix, thank you Mix. Ay, si Ame nag-gift pa pala. Thank you, Ame. Kina Guni, thank you. Salamat kina Ante Nerissa, Ante Janina, thank you. Sino pa? Kina Pat. Everyone, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Guys, bukas COD M tayo. We will play COD M. Thank you guys for watching. Takits soon. Takits tomorrow. Bye-bye. Snow. Say bye-bye to the live. Mag-bye ka. Bye! Bye! Bye-bye! Ito. Bye-bye! Bye! Oh, sige na. Bumaba ka na. Bye-bye, guys! Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.